What's up guys, they watching another video. We are here in the garage and we're about to install a new mod on the F80, another one. I feel like every day this week we've been putting something new on the car. And this I'm super excited for. It's like the last thing we were missing on the F80. If you guys watched yesterday's video, it was my Christmas video. If you haven't watched it, go watch it. It's probably my favorite video to date that I posted. It was super cool. I got to surprise the whole family with gifts, especially my mom and dad with a really special gift. So if you haven't watched it, go watch it. It's a good video. But if you also saw my princess, you like that word?
Yeah.
She got me. Look what she got me, guys, for Christmas. This is what she surprised me with. Because she knew it was the last thing that I needed for this car. Carbon fiber mirror caps. Oh my God, I'm so excited to throw these on. They look so freaking good. And look, she even knew where to get them from. Beamer plug. You guys see, like, the whole car has carbon fiber on it. We got the carbon diffuser, we got the carbon side skirts, carbon lip, carbon grills, carbon side vents, we got the carbon roof. Literally the last thing we need are these carbon mirror caps. I think they're super easy to install. They're literally like replacements. So this is the OEM one, got the same color match as the paint, and this is gonna cover it. Look, it's gonna look so much better. Just adds another hint of carbon fiber to match everything else. It's gonna be fire. The car is super dirty, by the way. I have not washed it since all of the rain. Look at the wheels, bro. There's literally a layer of brake dust on there. Like, thick layer of brake dust. Super dirty. Look at the spider webs on my car. There's no way. Oh my God, this shit needs a car wash. I haven't seen the car cleaned with the headlights or the tail lights, and also these mirror caps. So tomorrow the car's gonna look great. I cannot wait to show you guys. But yeah, we're gonna throw these on real quick. They're super easy. I watched a YouTube video and it should take us probably like 5 minutes, if that. Seems like it's super easy. We'll see. With my luck though, I don't know. I tend to break parts every time I start installing, but it's super easy, bro. Hopefully I don't break these little tabs. That's the only thing. Also, if you guys don't remember, I like showing it off. Why not? Damn, those tail lights though. Sheesh. Look at pulses, watch. That shit is so fire. It was so crazy how I didn't like the taillights at first. I think I didn't like them off the car, but once we put them on, I fell in love with them. They're literally like one of my favorite mods that we've done so far. It's just a little light show that I love, dude. That shit's crazy. Bro, that's hard. You can't tell me that's not hard. So in the box, we got the 2 mirror caps. And then they also gave us a little trim tool. There you go. A little plastic trim tool to take off the mirror cap so we don't break anything. So let's try it. Thank you. Thank you. I'm so hyped. How'd you know I wanted this?
I like the way they look too.
How'd you know?
Remember the game we were playing? What's it called? On the iPhone?
Need for Speed?
Maybe download it? Yeah, we made our own cars. And I made the Porsche, my Porsche, with pink with those. So I liked it.
So you like these gears, mirror caps?
I liked it.
They're fire on.
Yeah.
Cool little accent. I guess they're just like tabs under here that they said we need to take off. How the hell do people do this? All right, hold on. They said that another tool would be easier. I have it. All right, I know this looks crazy, but I watched a tutorial and the guy used this. So this is a squeegee that we used to wrap cars with. Why'd the guy make it look so easy? All right, guys. I don't know why mine's so difficult. Dude, the people I'm watching,
it's like snapping on and off.
Come off so easy.
Oh.
I definitely broke this one, but I mean, this is the OEM, so we don't need it. But holy crap, bro. Why was it not coming off? Looks like I just broke the plastics of this. Hopefully, I don't know. Some of the dirt off. I hope I didn't break any tabs that I needed. Let's see, they go under. Yeah, this is why I don't install stuff, guys. I think that's how it's supposed to go. Onto the other side. Let's see if this one comes off easier. The other one, I think I broke the tab down there, guys. I'm not gonna lie. Hopefully, I can figure it out, but I might put 3M tape to make it stay. But these shits are like stuck on here, bro. Every single YouTube tutorial I'm watching, people take them off so easy. I don't know why mine's so hard. This side. So the guy said he put tape there so it wouldn't happen, but it happened. I think I was being too careful on that side. And this side I just whacked it and came on. Sounds so violent. That's pretty much it. Rear caps are on. I think they look sick. Honestly, it adds like a little bit more carbon fiber. And who doesn't want more carbon fiber? So hyped. Thank you so much for buying me these. Sick ass Christmas present. They're a little difficult to put on, I'm not gonna lie. Also, I just feel like the fitment could have been a little better, but it's not bad. I mean, you guys know how carbon fiber fits sometimes. I feel like it kind of blends in with my paint, because my paint kind of, it's like the same color as carbon. But wait till like I wrap the car, guys. If I end up doing it like red or something, you're gonna really see. These are gonna pop, the carbon's gonna pop, the roof is gonna pop. So right now, it's kind of blending in, but it looks sick though. But yeah, comment down below, guys, what color should we wrap it if we do wrap it? And what else should we do to the car? I mean, we've done a lot so far in the past couple weeks. I also found a really good deal on a G80, guys. I'm not gonna lie. I kind of want to do it. My friend that works at BMW told me about it. There's a G82 M3 with red bucket seats, and it's literally beautiful. 2024 too, it's brand new. I want to do it. You guys comment down below. Let me know if it's time to get rid of the F80 and get a G80. Or should I just keep this one? I don't know. It's so hard, guys. Hardest freaking decision in the world. But after seeing like Fresh Kicks G82 the other day, I kind of want one. It's nicer, it's newer, the interior is so much nicer, it's faster. Literally, full bolts on is gonna smoke my GTR. So that is crazy, bro. 1,000 times faster than this freaking F80. But the F80 is stick shift, that one's auto. So, bro, this is literally best of both worlds. I need both, to be honest. But comment down below. I want to know if you guys think it's time to get rid of the F80 and trade in for a G80. That was the plan. When I first got the F80, I was only going to keep it about 6 months to a year, trade in for a G80. But I'd make a bunch of content with this and trade it in for that, and make a bunch of content with the G80. So I don't know. Comment down below. What are you guys' thoughts? It's a hard choice. Stick shift F80 looks sick as hell. TEs, everything like that. It's literally complete and the funnest car to drive. You guys see me driving in the canyons. Or just a fast ass G80 that's automatic and not as fun to drive, but faster. So hard. Stressful. Comment down below. Let's go. All right, guys. Very different vlog and topic than usual, but you guys might remember this area. Well, this space, this warehouse, whatever you want to call it. This freaking hell of a spot. Hell of a time of my life. Literally, guys. This has been the biggest headache of my entire life, my biggest mistake of my entire life, and so on, bro. It's finally over with this month. I've had, if you guys don't remember, this was my second wrap shop that I tried doing. So stupid, the biggest mistake I ever made. We signed this lease, it was a 2-year lease, $4,500 a month, guys, for 2 years. Let's just count that up real quick. 4,500 times 24 months. I don't even know if I did that right, but 100K of rent. Anyways, you guys saw me start a wrap shop years ago. This is probably like, bro, I don't even know the exact dates, but let's just say like 3 years ago. Started a wrap shop. That was back in Rancho Cucamonga. I did that one. That was the first wrap shop, Sick Wraps. You guys know that one. We started it. It was super successful. We did a huge grand opening. Literally all of you guys came through. There was freaking thousands of cars there. It was crazy. Huge success. As soon as you start a business, sometimes you never have success for a while. You're negative, profit, everything like that. As soon as we started, we were already making profit. We were wrapping like 8 cars a month. It was insane. Unfortunately, I was with a partner that was very young-minded, very immature, and very envious, I feel like. And the list goes on. We bumped heads a lot. We ended up just closing that business down. I left him with the shop. I was gonna just focus straight on YouTube like I was doing in the beginning, but I wanted to help him out and also just make a business, you know, hopefully in the long run pay off. Anyways, that failed. That didn't work. I failed that, guys. I wasted a lot of money. I think we invested like over $10,000 each. All the money gone, never seen it again. It sucked. One of the biggest mistakes I made, but I walked away from it and I was like, you know what? I tried it, didn't work out. Let's just keep doing YouTube. A few months goes by, another one of my friends comes into my life. This guy I knew longer than the first partner, and he said, yo, let's partner up on another wrap shop. At the time, I was like, hell no, bro. I already did it once. It failed. We bumped heads, all this good stuff. He knew the whole story of what happened behind the scenes. And he told me, oh, it's never gonna happen again, I promise. Like, come on, we can do this. We have a lot of potential. I'll wrap the cars. You do the business side of things. Just like my first business. I never really talked about it at all. We kind of just closed the business, never talked about it again. But my side of the business on both shops that I tried opening was to run the business behind the scenes, handle the customers, handle the scheduling, handle the bills and the Instagram and the social media and the YouTube and finances, doing photography. I was doing videos. I was handling everything A to Z, All my other partner had to do was wrap the cars. That's all his job was, and mine was the whole behind the scenes, which honestly matters more than the actual manual labor. You're not gonna get that labor, you're not gonna get the cars, you're not gonna get the clientele without the marketing and the social media stuff and all the stuff behind the scenes. Hands-on labor, and I was kind of behind the scenes doing the easy labor when it's really not easy. If you guys are in the social media world or know anything about marketing, it is probably harder than the manual labor, bro. And a lot of people don't understand marketing and stuff like that. I can say I did that. I did it on my YouTube channel, I did it on my Instagram and everything like that. I feel like I have experience in the marketing and the social media world. Anyways, business partner told me, do the same thing, I'll wrap the cars, you handle all the business A to Z. I didn't want to do it, but I've known this guy for years, even longer than the first person. We tried it out. We got this shop now in Irvine, $4,500 rent. It was so expensive. I think we were looking too far ahead and dreaming too big, but we did it. It could have been a success, but again, same thing with that. My stupid partner, my friend, said that he felt like I was not doing enough work. And again, I was beating myself up. I started beating myself up after both businesses failed, guys. I was beating myself up, telling myself, you know what, maybe it is me. Maybe I'm not doing enough work, but no, guys, it's not me. I have a good head on my shoulders. I know what I want. I have the goals that I want. I know what it takes to run a business, and it just sucks because I kept partnering up with the people that were not like-minded, or maybe a little envious, or maybe a little childish, and all the above, guys. Long story short, I opened up another wrap shop. Stupid jet is so loud. We got this building, $4,500 rent in Irvine, California. We're gonna start wrapping cars. You guys saw me, it was distinct vinyl. I posted it for like a month or two. After 2 months, my partner said, I don't wanna do it anymore. And I'm like, what do you mean you don't wanna just do it anymore? He's like, I just don't wanna start a business. I'll just go do my own thing again, wrap cars by myself. We tried breaking the lease. The leasing office said, you're crazy. You signed a 2-year lease and you're trying to back out after 2 months? It's not gonna happen. Pay $100K up front and then you guys can walk away. Obviously, we're not gonna pay $100,000 worth of rent. My partner just ended up blocking me. I haven't talked to him in 2 years. He still hasn't talked to me. Honestly, might have to handle that later on in court because I had to throw up a lot of money for this building the past 2 years and throw away so much money. Literally in December, I had to throw away $6,000, guys. Fortunately, I found someone to rent this place out for the past 2 years, which is also my friend. Again, I've been done dirty so many times in my life, guys. It's not even freaking funny, but my friend, another person, was running his business out of here doing like merchandise stuff, and he was always late on rent all the freaking time. I almost got sued once. Like, guys, this is all going behind the scenes of the vlogs. Like, you guys don't even see this side of me. You guys see the happy Nick and the vloggy Nick and the car meets Nick and the smiling and laughing, but behind the scenes there's a lot of stuff going on, guys. A lot of mistakes that I made, and it's been one of the hardest years of my life with this stupid building and a lot of other stuff on my shoulders too. Like, it's not easy, guys, but this is all comes because I just wanted to start businesses. I wanted to make more money for myself, and I made a lot of mistakes. Yeah, the guy rented it out for 2 years. He was always late on rent. I had to cover some of the rent sometimes because I had no choice. There's no other choice. In these last 2 months, November, December, he just left. He packed up his stuff and left. Didn't even tell me ahead of time and nothing like that. We had nothing in contract, which is another thing of my mistakes over the years. I had nothing in contract with any of my partners and stuff like that, except for these partners are on this lease. So I don't know why he's trying to block me and stuff. You're legally on the lease, but the guy that was in here subleasing it from me, he just left, got up and left, didn't tell me, and I had to pay 2 months worth of rent this month and to finally break the lease. The lease is up at the end of the year, so we got like 1 more week and we're done with this 2-year lease. 2 years of headaches, guys. I literally threw away so much money. I could have built a freaking fully bulletproof GTR transmission by now, probably. It's ridiculous, guys. And that's another thing I have over my shoulders. Like, there's so many bills and money and stuff that's going behind the scenes, and this is why I work my ass off, because I have a lot of stuff to pay for, guys. And I don't know about you guys, like, I know a lot of people have like parents helping them and stuff, but I will not ask my parents for money. I made it a goal of mine to never ask my mom for money for years now. My parents helped us out enough when we were small, and I don't want to ask them for a single dollar. So all these mistakes I made, it's my mistakes. I got to figure out how to make the money back and pay for them, and, you know, throw away, cough it up, and just pay for it, guys. I had no other option. So I had to work my ass off and throw away some of the money. It sucks because some of these merch drop money, like I saved my money for the merch drops and stuff like that. Sometimes all the money would just go to something like this to waste, like something that I didn't even want to pay for. So anyways, I just want to take you guys a little bit behind the scenes, let you guys know this is part of my life. Might as well vlog it. We're here right now cleaning it all up because, like I said, because the end of this week is the end of the year and we're finally off this lease. So we had to come in here, clean it up, clean the other guy's mess up. This guy left so much trash in here. I should have showed you guys before. I actually have a clip right here. There was so much trash. There was so many boxes. There was so much debris on the floor. The guy left freaking couches here and a bed frame, which I threw away over there, a desk. He left hella stuff in here. So he didn't even technically move out the right way, bro. Like, so I had to come in here and do all this for free again. Like, it's just, Biggest mistake and biggest headache of my entire life, guys. You guys know what I've been going through the past couple years behind the scenes. I don't talk about it much. I don't show it enough. I don't show it at all. Finally out this lease. I cannot wait to walk away from it. Start investing my money smartly this time. Start using contracts. Don't ever partner up with a friend. I'm telling you guys right now, from my mistakes, don't ever do it. I tried it twice. I should have learned from the first time, didn't learn, did it again, and made another mistake, guys. So biggest mistake of my life, but honestly the biggest life lesson of my life as well. I learned a lot of things throughout the time. Don't ever partner up with people. Don't ever trust people. Don't trust anyone that's your friend. Now I have such a guard around me, guys, and I really don't have that many friends, or I don't really have that many people I can call my friends. Let's say that. I don't trust that many people. I don't know, bro. I've been done dirty so many times. I've lost so much money on stupid business ventures that I've tried, and it just never worked. Maybe it just wasn't for me. I should have listened to all the people that told me not to do it in the beginning. But you know what? You can't listen to people. You got to just go for things, because you never know. It could have turned out to something crazy, but whatever. It failed. I tried it once, I tried it twice. It failed. Now on to the next thing, on to the next goal, and we can keep trying. You know, I'm young still. I lost a lot of money. I made a lot of mistakes, but you know what? I'm still blessed, and I'm hoping that I don't know. Karma, bro. Karma will get all these people, you know? As long as you stay a good person and a good human being, I feel like you'll get stuff in return. So hopefully God sees that I've been a good person. I've been very humble. I've been trying to help people all around me all the freaking time. I try helping so many people. Even like the partners I partnered up with, I tried helping them out, even though they never saw that, but I tried helping them out. Like, I'm always the type of person to just help everybody out around me. This is the end of this chapter. I cannot wait to get out of this building. It's finally clean. We're finally gonna get off the lease at the end of the week and on to 2024 with no more of this rent on the back of my shoulders, stuff that you guys don't even know about. So I'm done, guys. No more wrap shops for me. I'm done with that shit. I tried it. I think during the time I first tried it was like the perfect time to do it. Now everyone and their moms has a freaking wrap shop. So I'm glad I'm over with it. The business stuff is over with. People are charging way too cheap on wraps anyway, so you can't even make that much profit. It's dumb, bro. It would have been good at first, but honestly, I'm glad it's over with, and I'm so glad I'm out of debt now. Not really, I wasted a lot of money, but I'm just glad it's over with now. 2024, guys, I'm gonna have so much money. Manifesting it right now, like my girlfriend always says. No more mistakes, no more throwing money away on this stupid building that I don't even use. I was literally paying rent sometimes to someone else's rent. I wasn't even working in here, guys, making $0 out of here, but I was throwing money away to it just because my name was legally signed on that lease. So huge mistake. And yeah, as much as I want to not talk shit, F those people that have done me dirty, bro. You know what? God does everything for a reason. So I don't know what the reason for, but we did it. We got through it somehow. I don't know how.
You have to lose your fear of failure. Failure is a part of the process. People who never fail, never try. You have to fail. You got to get it wrong to get it right. You learn nothing from winning. You only learn from your failures. Warren Buffett said he won't even invest in a person's business unless they failed in 2 other businesses. Because now you know what not to do.
My mentality when I do start to be like, damn, this is a lot. That's what it's supposed to feel like. If you are going toward what the vision look like, and that's like greatness. That's on multiple levels. That's the vision that I'm working toward. This shit ain't supposed to feel comfortable. It's supposed to be uncomfortable. It's supposed to stretch you. It's supposed to be a burden to a degree. Wrap your mind around that and accept it and embrace it, and you catch some wisdom off of that.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 20.